performing. I had a bad sales manager. And so he wasn't performing and had a really poor attitude, wasn't doing what we needed to do. Let me put it that way. So we put him on a coaching plan. And we thought we put him on the coaching plan. And let me tell you what, thank goodness I had Sarah to take me through this, because she helped me coach the thing all the way through. We put him on a coaching plan. He didn't really like it, of course not. Got very upset in the deal, but we, worked through it, told him we were going to grow and help him get to the next level. Long story short, he his way through it all. And anyway, in the end, I told him, hey, buddy, you're not doing what you're supposed to do in the coaching plan and what's going on. And then he decided to quit. He just resigned and walked off. So it was one of those interesting moments where, I don't know, it's just eye-opening how we try to coach over to the next level, and sometimes they just won't get there, and then that's the why in the road. It's time to go. So it worked. I got rid of the sales manager on Wednesday, took the team over Thursday, wrote 3 sales between now and then I closed the deal this morning. So the guy was a problem. He's gone. So we're on to bigger and better things. Thank you, FPG, for coaching me through it. Sarah was amazing. Mary, you've been great through it. I wouldn't have been able to do it this smooth without you guys. Thank you.